take a look at how we can hide an opt-in form for someone who has already subscribed using it. So I have my lead groups right here. I'm going to open one up and I'm going to go and edit the Lightbox type of form, and then I'm going to go to this opt-in form and edit its design using this pencil icon. When you first access this Lightbox, you will be shown the way the opt-in form looks like for a new user or visitor of your website. As I said, you are able to hide the opt-in form for an already subscribed user, and one of the ways in which you can do that is by adding the already subscribed state and then hiding it. And for that, we're going to click on this plus sign, which will open the list of available states for this form, and we're going to click on add new state here. And you can either add a new state that you can then customize, or you can add an already subscribed state. So if we click on it, this will be the default already subscribed state. So of course we can either customize it, or in case we do not want any opt-in or any Lightbox to be shown to an already subscribed user, what we can do is hover over the plus sign again, and we're gonna see this eye icon right here. And if we click on it, we're gonna make sure that the form or the Lightbox is hidden for an already subscribed user. And as simple as that, we've removed this form from the already subscribed state, meaning that if someone visits your website, opts in using that form, the second time they access the same page or post, they will not be shown anything instead of that Lightbox.